Standard 3rd, Subject English, Lesson number 32, The Noble Stag. This story is about the King Brahmadatta of Banaras and the Noble Stag. Lesson 32, The Noble Stag. Stag means male deer. As we all know, King Brahmadatta of Banaras was extremely fond of hunting. Luckily for him, on the outskirts of the city was a huge forest filled with deer. Among them there was a mighty stag. Here, the king of Banaras, Brahmadatta, was extremely fond means to like, of hunting on the outskirt. Outskirt means the outer parts of a city or town. City, there was a huge forest filled with deer. Among them there was a mighty stag. Next paragraph. One fine day, the king had gone hunting with his courtiers. He told his courtiers, "If you allow even a single deer to escape, I will punish you severely." So the courtiers formed a tight circle from which no deer could escape. Then they began to beat their sticks on the ground to frighten the deer hiding in the bushes and to make them run. The only way out of their circle was through a small clearing where the king stood ready with his bow and arrows. The courtiers were beating their sticks on the ground and shouting when suddenly a stag leaped out of a thicket. One day the king had gone for hunting with his courtiers. Courtiers means a person at the court of king. The king warned the courtiers, "If you allow even a single deer to escape, he will punish them severely." Severely means harshly. The courtiers formed a tight circle. They began to beat their sticks on the ground so that the deer will come out from the bushes. There was an open area without any big trees. There the king stood. The courtiers were beating on the ground and shouting. A stag leaped out of a thicket. Thicket means thick growth of shrubs and plants. Next paragraph. The stag saw that the king was standing in the way, so he looked the king straight in the eye and made a dash towards him. The king was taken aback and shot an arrow towards the stag hurriedly. Of course, it missed the mark, but the stag rolled over. Here the stag saw the king was standing. The stag looked straight into the king's eyes. The stag made a dash towards the king. Dash means run suddenly. The king was surprised. The king took the arrow and shot the stag. The king missed the mark, but the stag rolled over. Next paragraph. Now There is one thing that you must know about the stag. It has excellent instincts and is extremely good at dodging arrows, whether shot at from the back, front, or even the top. If an arrow is aimed at its belly, it pretends to roll over and then jumps up and runs once the danger has passed. Here, the stag has excellent instincts. Instincts means inborn way of behavior or thinking, and good at dodging arrows. Dodging means moving aside quickly to avoid an arrow, blow, etc. If an arrow is aimed at its belly, the stag pretends to roll over, jump up, and runs once the danger has passed. Pretend means act like. Next paragraph. So when this stag rolled over, the king thought that his arrow had found its mark. He lowered his bow and began to walk towards the stag. But the stag suddenly jumped up and shot past the man. When the courtiers realized that the king had been mistaken, they started to laugh. Here, the stag rolled over. The king thought that his arrow had found the mark. He lowered his bow and began to walk towards the stag. The stag suddenly jumped up and shot past. Shot past means to move quickly. The courtiers laughed at the king as he had been mistaken. Mistaken means missed the target. Next paragraph. Now the king thought himself to be an excellent marksman, means a person skilled in shooting, in hitting a target, and could not bear the taunts of his men. Taunts means teasing or insulting remark. He grabbed his sword and set off into the forest in order to catch the stag. He chased the stag for quite a while, for quite a bit of time, and covered a long distance. Here, the king thought himself an excellent shooter and could not bear any insulting remark. The king took a sword and went in forest to catch the stag. The king ran behind the stag for quite a bit of time. The stag came upon a hole in the ground that was covered by a rotting tree and filled with slime. Slime means an unpleasant, thick liquid substance. From a distance, it could smell the dirty water and so was careful not to run over it. But the king could not sense the pit. Pit means hole, and fell right into it. The stag came upon a hole in the ground filled with unpleasant, thick liquid substance. From a distance, it could smell the dirty water, but the king could not smell and fell into the pit. After a while, the stag realized that he was not being followed any longer. He understood that the king had perhaps means maybe fallen into the pit. The stag came to know that he was not being followed by king and the king may be fallen into the pit. Next paragraph. So the stag went back to the pit and saw the king struggling. Struggling means fight to save one's life. For his life, the stag felt very sorry for the king. He decided to save the king's life, even though the king was following him with the intention to kill him. Here, the stag went back and saw the king in the pit and tried to save himself. The stag felt sorry and decided to save the king's life, even though the king has planned to kill the stag. Next paragraph. The stag told the king not to worry and to be brave for a while longer. He then caught a huge rock with his hind leg and lowered himself into the pit. The king caught hold of his neck and the stag climbed out onto the level ground and carried the king to safety. Here the stag told king not to worry. The stag caught the rock with his hind leg and lowered himself into the pit and told the king to hold his neck, and the stag removed the king out of the pit. Next paragraph. The king thanked the noble stag again and again and asked him to return with him to Banaras, where he could have anything and everything he wanted. But the stag did not want anything in return for his help. He just requested the king to rule wisely and well and be kind to animals. Then the noble stag disappeared into the forest. King Brahmadatta then vowed not to hunt or hurt any animal. Here the king thanked the noble stag again and again and asked him to come with him to Banaras, where he could get everything. But the stag did not want anything in return. The stag requested the king to rule wisely and well and be kind to animals. Here the noble stag disappeared into the forest. King Brahmadatta then vowed not to hunt or hurt any animal. I hope you all have understood this story. Thank you.